Hello friends, Namaskar, Namaste from California. This is Chandan. Today I will talk about what it takes to become a Scrum Master. Key steps that you take to become a Scrum Master. Scrum Master can be very helpful for aspiring professionals. Here are the key steps that you need to become one. Understand Agile and Scrum. Learn Agile Principle. Start with the Agile Manifesto to understand the core values and principles. These are something you can search on Google. Study Scrum Framework, which is very important. Read the Scrum Guide to get a comprehensive understanding of Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. Again, you can find that on Google. Most important steps: get educated, take some courses, enroll in online courses, or attend workshops on Scrum and Agile methodologies. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Simplilearn offer excellent courses, and most important, read the books. There are recommended books which includes Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time by Geoff Sutherland. And the number two books is the Scrum Mastery by Geoff Watts. And also you need to gain a practical experience, which is very important for a Scrum Master. Hence, join a Scrum team. If you are in a company, you can join a Scrum team, participate in Scrum projects to gain hands-on experience, volunteer, offer to help with Scrum practices in your current organization, or join local Agile meetups through the social media. And last but least, get certified. Choose a certification. Popular certification for Scrum Masters include Certified Scrum Master. In short, we call it as a CSM from Scrum Alliance. And Professional Scrum Master. In short, we call it as a PSM from scrum.org. You have to prepare for the exam. So use the study guides, practice exams, and online resources to prepare for the certifications exams. And for a Scrum Master, you really need to develop soft skill. It's very, very important. Number one is communications. Enhance your ability to facilitate discussions and resolve conflicts. This is very important when you deal with real time projects where you are dealing with Scrum methodologies. Leadership. Learn to lead by examples and support your team effectively. This is also a big trait for a Scrum Master. Network and learn continuously. Join communities. Engage with Scrum and Agile communities online. So there are many online communities. You can join them, engage with them, have a discussions, attend conferences. You can attend conferences, participate in Agile and Scrum conferences to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. These are the areas where you can really build your Scrum mastery. Prepare for interviews, mock interviews. Practice the mock interviews to get comfortable with common Scrum interview questions. If you are applying for a new job as a Scrum Master, you should do that mock interviews. Highlight experience. Emphasize your practical experience and certifications during interviews. So while you are giving interviews, you should emphasize and your practical experience, that you do have experience working as a Scrum Masters, and of course the certifications which will add more value. So friends, in order to become a Scrum Master, whatever I said, high level steps you must follow, and you will become a great Scrum Master if you at least follow the 50% of whatever I mentioned. To continue watching more such videos and guidance, do subscribe to my channel. For the time being, I'll say good night and see you in our next video. Thank you. Namaste.